The 2005 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic transmission, front air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel drive, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.